How would you like to make some extra money directly from home, upwards to an additional $6,000 per month, which evens out to be around $40 per hour for doing simple tasks? This new side gig that I'm about to show you is going to help you bring in some extra money every single month while you're either working your full-time job or while you're already working from home. And all you'll need is your smartphone and a couple of things that you can find from your local shop. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond Chanel, and here we talk about all things money. So if you're somebody that likes to earn money, then you are in the right place. I show you different opportunities that you can do, and they're usually all online and things that you can do on your own terms with a flexible schedule. So we're going to be getting into this new side hustle that I've come across, and I'm going to show you the beginning to the end of where you can find this website, everything that you will need to know about how you can start earning money directly from home doing these simple tasks. So let's just jump right into the video because we don't do long intros here. According to the site, the average earners earn anywhere from $2,500 to upwards towards $6,000 a month with this one side gig. And the whole setup process is going to be very easy. So this gives you an opportunity where you can work from home and again earn up to $6,000 a month as either a side gig or full-time gig. So the first step is to simply sign up, and you're going to create an account, and I'm going to take you through that whole process, and you'll have to watch some quick videos just to get you started. Then from there, you need to accept the jobs that are in your area. So you're going to be alerted whenever there is a job available. Then the third step is for you to pick up the laundry, wash, and repeat. So you will have to wash, dry, fold, and then return the clothes the very next day. The first thing you want to do when getting started is to see if this is available in your area. Once you do that, and if it says perfect, we're in your area, then you're going to move on to the next steps. This is how your pay is going to be calculated. Hold on just a moment. If you can hear me, what I need you to do is to go into the comment section right now and leave me your most recent emoji. This is something fun that we do here so that I can interact with as many of you as possible. Now, also, I gotta tell y'all this. YouTube is telling me that over 80% of y'all are not subscribed to this channel. We need to fix this right away. If you're somebody that likes to earn money and you want to stay up to date on the newest ways to make money online, then you need to tap that subscribe button. Okay, let's get back into the video. So for next day services, you get paid 75 cents per pound versus same day delivery, which means that you deliver the laundry in the same day. You get paid $1.50 per pound. Now this is going to all average out to be around $40 per delivery. Let's just talk about the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a smartphone. You're going to need access to a washer or dryer. You need to have some type of transportation, meaning that you have to have a vehicle. Then you have to have laundry detergent, clear bags, labels, and a simple bathroom scale just to weigh the finished laundry. Now, when I was signing up, I don't see where they specified whether or not you had to have your own washer and dryer or if you could go to the laundromat. But they also said that you did have to have laundry bags. So I got that one from Amazon, this one from Five Below for $5. Then you just need to have a quick, clean place where you can fold the clothes. That can be your bed as long as it's clean. And then this is the type of scale that they're talking about that you'll need to weigh out the laundry so you know how much to charge. Also, they have these clear plastic bags at Walmart for $8. They also have it on Amazon for around $7. That scale is at Five Below for $5, but they also have it for around $10 to $15 at your local stores as well. All these materials are things that you can find at your local Walmart, Dollar Tree, or Target. Now let's get into the sign up process. It's going to be pretty simple. They're going to ask you the basic information like your name. If you do have those supplies that they recommended that you have, if you have access to a vehicle and all that good stuff. Now, I'm going to be honest. I went through and I listened to every single video and I tried to kind of skip and go miss some information. But I'm going to say that you want to listen to every video. None of the videos are over 5 minutes long. And I say this because they are going to test you. So I took the test the first time and I only got 2 answers wrong. They made me do the entire thing all over. So you might as well just go ahead, listen to each and every video, take notes. If you do end up passing, then you get access to the map, and that's where they're going to tell you and alert you of when orders come about. And also they're going to send orders directly to your email so that you will also get the notification there if an order is available. If you guys have any luck with using this website, please let us know in the comment section below. Also, please let me know what type of opportunities are you looking for. Do you want to know more about work from home jobs? Do you want quick side hustles that you can do? Are you looking for tips and strategies for starting your online business? Or do you want to know more about digital products? Because I love talking about digital products and other passive income avenues. Just let me know what it is that you're looking for and how I can help you make some more money. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. Before you go, make sure that you're checking out these 2 videos here because they're going to give you some more money making tips. Okay, I'll see you all in the next one.